Hello.
Good morning.
Morning. So we're parked with the California Club, and we're going to show you all of the Californias. So we've got oceans, a mix of different oceans, and Grand Calis as well.
Quite a turnout today.
It's amazing. There's Jane, Hotel Divan. That's really good, isn't it? Look, Hotel Divan. And this is Jane, and this is Pepe. Pepe. I love your little van.
Thank you.
It's so gorgeous. So how long have you had Hotel Divan?
12 years.
Wow.
Yeah.
Can you hear that rain?
Oh my gosh. Yeah.
I'm so glad that we're under here. Nice and dry. And Chris is out there filming. This weather's so unpredictable.
Oh my
but
goodness,
this is amazing.
Really good. Yeah. So it's really easy to put up.
Yeah.
Really easy to take down. The only disadvantage I would say is that you can't drive off and leave it.
Yeah.
So you'd have to take it all down. But it's only 3 sides, and it just gives you an extra space.
It gives you like a lot of extra space, especially when it's like this outside, doesn't it?
Yeah. You can have the
So
door
how do you put it on? Do you slide?
So this one threads through on the awning.
Yeah.
And then that just goes over the bar and zips up, and then there's Velcro down the side, and then there's Velcro tabs that go around the legs
to keep the rain out.
So no, it's great. I've had it for years, and it's well used.
Do you normally put it up, like when you go away?
As long as I'm somewhere more than one day.
Yeah.
So for 2 or 3 days.
Whoa! What was that?
Backfire? I don't know.
Oh look, there's black smoke over there. Oh, is that the fire show?
Oh yeah, last year.
Yeah, there was a fire show.
Really?
There's a guy that set himself on fire and jumped off. So how long have you had Hotel Divan?
12 years.
12 years.
Yeah. It's my everyday vehicle. So.
Okay.
Yeah. I haven't got anything else. So,
I guess that's the other benefit, isn't it, of having a pop top?
Yeah.
Is being able to unpop.
Unpop.
And and fit in normal parking spaces.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, so you can park in most places. Most height restrictions are fine, so just have to watch it. But no, it's brilliant. I love it. Really love it.
And where have you been?
So been to I think the furthest is probably Croatia.
Did you?
Yeah, so that was back in 2019.
Yeah.
So I've done a lot of Europe. But a lot of UK. So I'll go away as often as possible, most weekends if I can. So So
how long did it take you to go to Croatia?
Oh gosh,
it's quite a long way, isn't it?
Don't ask me that. I've no idea. That was years ago. Gosh, I can't even remember.
And was that with
No, not with Pepe. No,
not with Pepe.
Did I even have him then? 2019. Yeah, I did. But no, my mum looks after him. So yeah.
Is this Pepe's champagne?
It is.
Oh.
He takes no notice of it whatsoever. No. Couldn't be less interested.
Champagne. Oh, it's great coming to festivals like this, isn't it? And being able to bring your bring your dog with you.
Yeah, definitely. So no, he loves it. He loves being in the van. Last time I went away, I unpacked the van, and he wouldn't come out. He just sat. He just sat in there.
Where does he sleep?
He sleeps on the passenger seat. So I turn that round. He sleeps there.
Oh, that's a nice cosy bed.
It's lovely, yeah. And I usually just sleep downstairs, which is just so nice.
Oh, you don't sleep up?
Not normally, no. So I prefer it downstairs. It's more comfortable and cosy.
Yeah.
So but no.
So does it take you very long to convert it into a?
No, not really. No, I mean I only normally turn the passenger seat round. I don't bother so much with the driver's seat.
Yeah.
If I do need to go up the top, I need to stand on the back of the chair.
Yeah.
So I'll just leave it like that. It's much easier. But no, it doesn't take long at all, really. So.
And what are your favourite bits?
The
van.
I've bought so many things over the years. I've bought the shelf,
I like these
the cabinet
shelves.
at the top. which is
Yeah.
really handy.
Yeah.
So they've got quite strong magnets on, so you can actually open them when the roof's down.
Yeah.
And obviously when the roof's up, it's easy access. Got a wash stuff, drinks measurer, coffee. So, and I've bought these magnetic, so all the front cups are on magnets, so they're not going to move, and then the ones behind are just loose. So, but I don't think they'd ever open, but they haven't yet. So, and then when the roof's down, so it comes down to here, made sure that it all fits in okay. Yeah, so I bought the internal topper as well, so that's just stays on the whole time. I don't have to take it down at all. So it's double sealed, so it's warmer in the winter.
You've got a lot of space, haven't
Yeah,
you? A lot of
there's so
storage
much space actually. There's a lot of storage. It's really good. So the cupboards, and the cutlery drawer, lots of storage on that side.
And you've actually got a lot of space.
Yes. Yeah. So when you pull the bed out, it comes down to here.
Yeah.
So you've only in the night you've only got that much space.
Yeah.
But yeah, and the fridge is really good because it's deep, but I haven't got a freezer. So you can actually stand the bottles up.
Fill the bottles of wine.
Oh.
So you can get quite a few in. You've got storage under here.
Oh, that's
Loads
huge
of
storage.
Yeah. So I've got a box there. I'll just keep all the bits and bobs in. What have I got in there? Fans and heaters.
Yeah. All important
monkey.
things.
Shower
Do you have
shoes.
heat? And you have heating?
Brilliant, yeah. So
Yeah.
it's really good if it's cold because it runs on
Yeah.
a diesel heater.
Yeah.
Not so good if you're in a hot country because the air conditioning only obviously works when you're driving. So
Yeah.
if you're camped anywhere in the heat, it's hot.
Yeah. Yeah.
So you've got storage up here. That's where I keep my clothes, just in the packing cubes. And then you've got storage here, which is,
Oh, wow. You really do have a lot of storage.
yeah, bit messy, but I tidied. And then
Yeah.
obviously in the back, I've bought one of those pull-out drawers.
Yeah.
Right. Oh, so in here, you've actually got two chairs.
Oh.
Yeah. So it's really, I mean, this.
Oh, yes. Did they
So-
come with like that?
These are extra. Bought some cushions just
Yeah.
to fit on there. But yeah, they come in the van.
Isn't
So
that handy?
it's really good. A little bit. If I was a little bit taller, would be useful. So that's got my duvet in. So keep the duvet in there.
That's a
It's
good way
handy.
to store it.
Yeah.
And you can use it as a little...
It's a little footstool thing.
Yes.
And then this space mate is brilliant. It's not very tidy at the moment because I chucked everything in because it started to rain. But
So do you keep everything in here ready to go
yeah,
normally?
that all stays in there. And I have got another rug, and which fits lovely just down the side. Yeah. The seats, she says. No, it's slides in and out there.
That's really good to be able to get stuff out, isn't it?
Yeah,
Easily.
it's brilliant.
Where do you put your awning sides? Do they fit?
Yeah, so that fits in there in
Yeah.
a bag about this big.
Okay.
So yeah, it's really good.
So they wrap up quite small.
Yeah,
They're
it
so
really
good.
does.
And
yeah.
this
Look,
awning,
sticking out.
this awning was perfect in that massive rainstorm
Yeah.
that we had.
Really good. And then here, let's get this back, got shelves.
Oh yeah.
So in here, which is really well done, you've got the gas
Ah yes.
in there, and then the plastic around it, that's the water tank.
Okay.
So it's all nice and secure.
Yeah.
And you can just about sort of see a faint line. So when you're filling the water up, you can see when it's full.
That's a great size gas bottle as
Yeah.
well.
And then obviously the gas and electric things there. I've had to take this down though because when you drive, it's I think I need a new one. When you're driving
Yeah.
along, it keeps sort of flapping open. So I've
Nobody
just
likes
put some tape on.
Flappy flap.
No, very annoying. Yeah, as soon as I get in my van, it's just so relaxing. You just feel happy and chilled and just love it. Absolutely love it.
I totally get that.
Yeah, yeah.
It's like
Stay dry.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
yeah.
And it is. It's like the normal day-to-day life just melts away, doesn't it?
Yeah,
And it's the most
absolutely.
amazing.
Yeah, so nice. Yeah, can't recommend it enough. So
Yes.
yeah,
And what's it like? So you've been to a lot of places by yourself,
yep, yep.
which
So,
is like, I mean, that is really brave.
Yeah, no, I love it. So
Yeah.
can't recommend it enough. So,
Really?
Yeah, really, really love it. So always loved campervans. Always loved the old, the split screens on the
Yeah.
bays.
Yeah.
So when I first got this, I thought it wasn't quite the same sort of character, but the lifestyle I just love.
Yeah.
Absolutely love it. And it's
Well,
just,
this has got loads of character.
yeah,
It's beautiful.
It's reliable. It's been really reliable.
Yeah.
It's just
Oh look, Pepe
yeah,
wants to
love
be
it.
inside again.
He loves it too.
He loves it
So,
too.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
So no, I really like it.
Well, thank you so much for showing us the inside of your van.
You're welcome. So yeah, that's good.
Oh, and it was Jane that bought us those spoons. Those spoons.
Those spoons. Yes.
Those spoons.
Yeah, I have a few too. Yeah.
So that was Jane's lovely T6 California. And now we're going to go and take a look at Sue and Sandy's brand new T7 Multivan California.
Hello.
Hi, and this is the T7 Multivan, the new Multivan, and this is our first time of coming to a festival with it, and it's great. We've had various vans, and this one works. There is a storm coming in tonight.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we've
So is that
battened
why
down
you're-
the hatches.
Yes.
But there's plenty of room in here. We have our TV, lovely and light when the bed goes up, but
Yeah.
we have been advised to put it down tonight, and
We have, haven't we?
We have.
All of us have been told to take our flags down. Like
Yeah.
everyone's putting their awnings in. Storm coming in.
yeah, but
And
it's very, very comfortable. We've had a few of these vans and
Yeah.
and bigger, but this one does work.
So
This
what
one
did
really
you go
works.
from? What did you have before?
We had the T6, and then
Yeah.
we had the GC,
Yeah.
and because we
Which
live in
GC? Which GC?
we had the 600,
600, yeah.
and we live in an apartment.
Yes.
And so we parked that in the driveway, but we wanted something that was a bit more manoeuvrable.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
And I'm 65 now, so I wasn't happy driving the 600, but I'm quite happy driving this one. And this one works fine for us. It's got lots of storage. It's very different from the last T6 we had.
Yeah.
But it works.
What? So
It's-
it's got door.
It's
a door
got double
either
doors,
side.
a door each side. Yep. Yep. It's oh, my bag's falling out, but that's fine. Doors both sides, which we weren't
Yeah.
sure of, but it works.
Yeah, you like it? Have you?
yep.
Do you often have like both doors?
We do, and we
Yeah.
have an awning on this side, but we
Yeah.
are actually going to put an awning on both sides.
Ooh,
So
double awning.
Yes. So we are the anomaly having one on this side, but we will
Yeah.
put one on both sides. Yeah, plenty of room. We both sleep upstairs. Plenty of room upstairs.
Really?
Yeah.
Do you know what? There's more room, like sitting here like this,
Yeah.
Sue, there's more room in your van than there is in the Grand
Yeah.
California, like more just
Yeah.
sitting room, isn't there?
Yeah, there is.
Yeah.
And the fridge is much smaller than the GC, but it
Yeah.
still opens out. It's
Yeah.
half the size, but I haven't had a problem. We have the one burner hob and a very small sink, and it just works.
Yeah?
It really
Do
works.
you use it as your daily driver as well?
Yes, we do.
Mm.
We absolutely do. Very similar to everything we've had before, but
Oh,
we've
yeah.
got the one burner. I've got a little, a silly little food tray that I use for kitchen sink, but it
That's a
works.
good idea.
It works. So I think now, having had bigger ones, the smaller better. Yep. This is my cutlery drawer here, and there's a good charge unit in there, and in here I've got my gas
Oh yes.
kettle and my just bits and pieces in there.
Yeah.
Espresso machine in there.
Oh yes.
So that one is absolutely
Yeah.
perfect. And I've got my medical pack there, and I've
Yeah.
got my plastic glasses and my coffee pods, and that works perfectly there.
Yeah.
And the cupboard there is all I need for actually clothes, really.
What are the electrics like? Like, do they have they lasted okay?
Yeah, they're perfect.
Yeah.
We've put the Starlink on tonight.
Yeah.
But yeah, we're still working on electrics here.
Electrics.
This is 2 days.
That's really good.
Yeah, and these are all
Touch.
everything, and
Touch lights.
everywhere I look, I can touch everything. And look, I've got everything.
Oh yeah.
I have this.
Oh, nice lights.
And all my cupboards light up. If I put those on, all my cupboards light up.
Nice.
So,
Nice little
Yeah.
touches.
Little drawers here, which are tiny compared to in other vans. That's where I keep my toilet rolls.
Yeah.
All the necessary things.
All
that
the
you need.
necessaries.
Seats slide right back. Sometimes one of us sleeps downstairs. We usually both sleep upstairs. The aircraft locker as well at the back is great.
Oh, that's big, isn't
That
it?
is big.
What do you
That is
put in
big.
there?
That's got actually in here with these. Surely everybody has to have a Volkswagen wash bag.
I don't have one yet.
This is the female one, and Sandy has the male one.
Oh, look. Oh, they're great.
So lots of stuff in there. So yes, it's very small compared to what we've had before, but it works.
Yeah.
It does work.
Oh, nice. Is there anything that you miss from your Grand Cali?
We do miss the fixed toilet and bathroom.
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, that's always what we'll miss. But now we are sort of late 60s. This works
Yeah.
for us. This really does
Yeah.
work for us.
I suppose
Yeah.
if you've got like an awning, a little tent, you could always put your
Yeah.
own.
Yeah, we do. We have a. I call
Portaloo.
it a shower tent.
Yeah.
So it's a shower
Shower
tent,
tent.
and a toilet tent, but we call it a shower tent, and it's fantastic. Never had one before. It works. It works. It does work.
Excellent.
So yeah, we've put that away tonight, but yeah, that one does work.
And what are your favourite bits about this van?
It's just a lovely seating area.
Yes.
It's
It is.
It does work.
Yeah.
It
In fact,
really
let me
does
try
work.
and show from the outside, like just how much space.
Yeah. This seat can obviously be swiveled.
Oh, okay.
But the TV doesn't obstruct anybody.
Yeah.
In the GC, we had it on the back seat.
Yes.
And that put quite a lot out of action. So this one is fine. This is a very wide area. This is lovely. And we always sleep upstairs.
Yeah.
It's just batten down the hatches tonight because the wind's
Storm.
coming in. But yeah, the fridge works perfectly. Sink, everything. Love
Awesome.
Californias. Love Volkswagens. All the way.
Thank you very much. So a big thank you to Sue and Jane for showing us the inside of their gorgeous vans. And I really hope you enjoyed this week's episode. It's a little bit different, but hopefully it gave you an insight into how people personalise their vans. And don't forget to like and subscribe, because next week we have another video which is actually showing some of the modifications people have made with their Grand Calis. So take care and look forward to seeing you next time. Bye.